One long angry line later. Several days later.
Voy haciendo un poco de mantenimiento acá, el auto de futuro auto de Joaquín. Joaquín, little spoiled brat. Black leather interior. Gonna redo the seat. Gonna redo that. Alright, so I just disassembled this air filters here. They were absolutely, completely disgustingly filthy, full of dirt. You can't really tell now. I mean, it's still kind of dirty, but this shit was clogged full of leaves and dirt. So I just took it apart, cleaned it up a little bit, washed the engine bay, put some degreaser on. It looks a lot cleaner now. This shit was full of slime, grudge, oil, and a bunch of residue. I guess the previous owner, whenever they were filling up the oil here, would spill it all over this right here, and it just like dripped onto the back, and it was smoking. We thought there was like a seal that was leaking, but no, it was just that it was coated in oil, and when the car warmed up, it started like smoking. So, but it looks a lot better now. Car is running, everything seems to be fine so far. Just need to waiting for the mirror to be delivered because this mirror is bad. We bought a new one on eBay, so hopefully I'll get there. I'll get here in the next couple of days. Damn, after a good wash, this thing is shiny. It looks like a different car now. The wheels are shiny. It's brought life back into the car now. It looks so good. See what a little nut can do. Obviously the previous owner didn't know anything about that. This thing is looking nice. Look at that. Okay, so this tire was flat and it has a nail. I hear it leaking already. That's a rock. I don't know. The nail's somewhere in there. I hear it. So I'm gonna be removing this tire right now and gonna fix this. So the tire is out. Yeah, look at that big ass nail right there. Yeah, another one right here. You can actually hear it leaking.
The evidence.
Yep. I'm gonna try to fix this now. I got these plugs here. Alright, so I got one nail out, which I don't know what happened to it. Whatever. I fixed this right here. There was a long as fuck nail, like this long, in here. And look at this shit. I started taking this other one out too. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. So yeah, to fix the second one now. Just got done removing the driver's seat. As you can see, it's all ripped up. And I just vacuumed here. It was fucking disgusting. So the plan is to reupholster the seat, get it looking all brand new and stuff, and fix this shit too. So yeah, some progress. Car's looking clean though. Can't see much right now because the sun is setting, but the car's coming together. Day 2 of working on Joaquin's Mercedes. Today's project will be replacing the damaged mirror. As you can see, the one that came with the car's fucked. So we ordered another one on eBay. It arrived yesterday night, so I'm back here today. Now while I'm doing that, I'm gonna remove this door panel so I can take it to get repaired along with the seat. They're both gonna get reupholstered. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with now. Door panel is out. After some wrestling, I got that shit out. Here it is. So I'm gonna be taking that to get it repaired, and now I'm gonna start working on removing this broken mirror so I can put the new one in. Little update. New mirrors in. We just tested it with the door panel here. We connected it briefly just to make sure that we can move it around and adjust the mirror, and it works. So success. And she's coming together. Now she's got a mirror. Yay. Ay, puto que dice puto.
Bueno, acá estamos, sábado 27 de marzo 2021. Con Mariano estamos probando el futuro auto de Joaquín. Esto es sorpresa, él no sabe nada. Mariano, su hermano querido adorado mayor, se lo está acondicionando para que lo disfrute y tenga su primer auto, Joaquincito. Con mucho cariño.
Primer auto, un Mercedes.
Alta gama.
¡Wow! Primer auto, el pendejo.
Toda la familia colaborando en secreto, hijito querido, pero con mucho amor. Vos te lo mereces. Así que bueno, Marianito. No es el eclipse, Marianito. No estamos en la pista.
Frena bien.
Frena bien, bueno, eso es lo importante. Después lo prueba mamá. No. A la bocina le anda. Bueno, está impecable. Mariano lo limpió, lo acondicionó, le ha hecho un par de cositas importantes que Joaquín no tiene idea, pero ya las va a ver en video. Bye.
Alright, so I'm out here working on this car again. Work on this car more than I work on mine lately. I'm trying to remove these fucking plastic covers from the wheel studs, wheel bolts. These are not nuts, they're from bolts. So, but previous owner, or I don't know if they came from factory like this, they had these covers over the head of the bolt, and they're a complete pain in the ass to remove. I don't know, there has to be a special tool, which obviously I do not have. So I'm using this little tiny Allen wrench to remove these things, and I can see why it's all the chrome is broken off of the inside where the lug bolts go. Maybe a previous tire shop or the previous owner or whoever that worked on this car. And putting and removing these plastic covers completely fucked up the chrome finish of the wheel, and the wheels are like that. Every single one of them has this broken off, and you can see rust. So yeah, I don't know whose idea it was to put those little plastic covers on. Alright, after much struggling, I got the front two wheels out. So you can see this one and this one. Here are all the piece of shit plastic covers. Some of them broke off in the process of removing them. Pretty sure we're gonna keep them off though. There's the other side. And I'm also gonna be installing new windshield wipers. Turns out that I went to Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah, Advanced Auto Parts. And I've never seen this type of mechanism for mounting windshield wipers before. I bought a pair, came to install them, and they were not the right ones. They needed to have like a little fucking hole for them to mount. These are the old ones. You see the way they mount, they just kind of like slide into that pin right there. But hopefully these fit. done installing the tint. Changes the whole look of the car. It looks really nice now. New wheels, new tint, and power wash it to give some shine. So far it looks so good with the tints on. Looking nice. Fresh.
¡Bien, Joaquín! ¡Guay! ¡Bien, hijito! Mirá, desde acá adelante se ve, loco.
Hoy es sábado 3 de abril, cumpleaños de Mariano. Mariano, acá.
Hola. Sí, saludos.
Y también le estamos haciendo la entrega oficial a Joaquín de su auto. Le combina con las zapatillas.
Ahí tiene para que disfrute, vaya al entrenamiento, tiene para acá la bicicleta. Wow.
A ver, Joaquincito,
Muchas gracias.
¿estás contento, hijo?
Me encanta.
Bueno, después de almorzar, celebrar el cumpleaños de Mariano, acá estamos entregándole el auto a Joaquín.
Finalmente.
Con la camiseta, ¿dónde está la camiseta? Ahí atrás. Eso también viene incorporado. ¿Te gusta?
Sí.
Ay, qué lindo.